Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you secrets to earning a minimum of $100 per day, and I'll be sharing 13 profitable websites where you can start making money from the comfort of your home. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. And I also have a bonus tip for you guys, and I also have a free gift for you, so make sure that you watch this video all the way till the very end. In today's digital age, I know that the internet offers endless. You and I know that the internet offers opportunities to earn money from the comfort of your own home. So whether you're looking to, supplement your 9 to 5 or replace your 9 to 5, there are numerous websites that can help you achieve that, your financial goals. In today's video, we're going to explore 13 profitable websites that have the potential to earn you $100 per day minimum, per day, or even more. By tapping into these platforms, you can unlock the secrets to financial freedom and create a sustainable online income stream. Now, here are some benefits of earning money from websites. Before diving into the specific websites, let's first discuss the benefits of earning money online. Now, one of the most appealing aspects is the flexibility that it offers. Unlike traditional jobs where you are tied to a fixed schedule, online working allows you to set your own hours and work from anywhere in the world, which means you can spend your time with your family, spend more time with your family, you can pursue your passion and enjoy a better work-life balance. Additionally, earning money from websites eliminates the need for a traditional boss. You become your own boss, you give yourself the freedom to choose the projects that you want to work on and the clients that you want to collaborate with. This level of independence is empowering, if you ask me, and it allows you to establish yourself as an expert in your chosen field. Now that we've discussed the benefits of earning money online, let's explore the 13 websites, profitable websites that can help you achieve your financial goals. Just so you know, each of these platforms offer unique opportunities and caters to different skill sets and interests. And by leveraging on these websites, you can tap into various income streams and increase your earning potential. First website on my list is freelancing platforms. Now, freelancing platforms like Upwork and Freelancer, they are excellent options for individuals with marketable skills. So whether you're a writer, a designer, a programmer, or marketer, these platforms connect you with clients that are seeking your expertise. Now, by creating an appealing profile, showcasing your portfolio, you can attract high-paying clients and secure projects that align your skills with your interests. With dedication and a strong work ethic like mine, you can easily earn $100 per day or more on these websites I'm going to be sharing with you. Now, online surveys and market research. Now, if you're sharing your opinions, providing feedback, online surveys, there are websites like Swagbox. It can be a lucrative option for you. Now, these platforms pay users for completing surveys and participating in market research studies. While the income potential may vary, consistent participation can easily earn you $100 per day or even more. Keep in mind that you will need to dedicate a significant amount of time to complete these surveys in order to reach this level. Now, website 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular and highly profitable method of earning money online. All you need to do is just promote products and services through your website or social media channels, and you earn a commission for every sale that is made through your unique affiliate link. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, they offer a wide range of products to choose from. They allow you to find a perfect fit for your audience. With effective marketing strategies and a dedicated audience, you can earn $100 per day or even more through affiliate marketing, where it is well within reach. Now, the next thing you can do to make money online is by doing online tutoring. Yes, there are platforms. Yes. So if you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, online tutoring platforms like VIPKid and Tutor.com provide an excellent opportunity to earn money while helping other people to learn. So whether you're highly proficient in mathematics, languages, or music, there is a high demand for your knowledge. By setting your own rates and working with students from around the world, you easily earn $100 per day by sharing your expertise and passion. Next thing you can do is to become a content writer. Yes, and a blogger. There are platforms. So if you have a way with words, content writing and blogging platforms offer a wealth of opportunities. Their websites like Medium, WordPress, they allow you to showcase your writing skills and monetize your content through various channels. From sponsored posts to affiliate marketing, there are numerous ways to actually turn your passion for writing into a profitable business. And with consistent effort and quality content, you can earn up to $100 a day or even more. Now, the next one on my list is e-commerce platforms. Yes, example of them is Shopify and Etsy. It's a platform where you can sell and reach a global audience. Whether you're creating handmade crafts, unique artwork, digital products, These platforms actually offer the support that you need to establish a successful business online. You leverage social media marketing and implement effective SEO strategies, can generate consistent sales and earn $100 per day or even more. The next thing you can do is to become a virtual assistant. And I have a course for that. Find it in the description. So guys, if you have a strong organizational and administrative skill, becoming a virtual assistant can be a lucrative career choice. There are websites like Upwork and Fiverr. They connect virtual assistants with clients that are seeking assistance with tasks like email management, scheduling, social media management. Just offer your services on this platform. You can easily earn $100 per day or more by providing valuable support to these entrepreneurs. The next thing here is to become a social media manager. In today's digital world, businesses are increasingly relying on social media to connect with their audience and drive sales. So if you have a knack for social media marketing, there are websites like Hootsuite and Buffer. They offer opportunities to manage social media accounts for clients. By creating engaging content, implementing effective strategies, and growing followership, you can earn a substantial income through these platforms. With a solid client base, earning $100 per day is well within reach. The next thing you can do here is to create online courses. Yes, if you have specialized knowledge or skills, creating and selling online courses can be a highly profitable venture. There are platforms like Udemy, yes, and Teachable. They allow you to create and market your own courses to a global audience. From photography to coding, there is a demand for various subjects. By leveraging your expertise and providing valuable content, you can earn a significant income through online courses. And with consistent marketing efforts and positive reviews, earning $100 per day or more is easily achievable. The next thing you can do here is to start a YouTube channel. Do you know that YouTube has revolutionized the way that we consume content, and it offers a unique opportunity to earn money through video creation just like this one. By creating engaging and valuable content, growing your subscriber base, and monetizing your videos through ads and sponsorships, you can generate a substantial income on YouTube. It may take time to build an audience and reach the $100 mark. Yes, with dedication and quality content, it is a viable option for people who have a passion for video creation. The next thing here is podcasting, monetization. Yes, podcasting has gained immense popularity in recent years, and they offer a unique platform to share your knowledge and insights. By creating compelling podcast episodes, growing your listener base, monetizing your podcast through sponsorships and ads, you can generate a significant income. While reaching the $100 per day mark may take time and consistent effort, podcasting offers a rewarding and potentially lucrative avenue for people with a passion for audio content. You don't want to show your face, that's fine. Podcasting is there for you. Now, the next thing you can do is to do stock photography. There are platforms, yes. So if you have a talent for photography, stock photography, there are platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. They offer an opportunity to monetize your images. By uploading high quality images, you attract customers that are looking for visual content. You can earn money every time someone purchases your image. Now, with diverse portfolio and consistent uploads, earning $100 per day or more is well within reach. The next thing you can do is online gaming and streaming. Yes, if you have a passion for gaming, online gaming, there are streaming platforms like Twitch and YouTube Gaming. They offer an avenue to monetize your hobby. By creating engaging live streams, building a loyal fan base, and leveraging sponsorships and ad revenue, you can earn substantial income while doing what you love. While it may take time to build an audience and establish yourself as a streamer, with dedication and consistent content creation, earning $100 per day or more is a realistic goal. And here are some tips for success in making money with these websites. Now, while each of these websites actually offer unique opportunities to earn money online, success ultimately depends on your dedication, your hard work, and commitments to providing value. And here are some tips to maximize your earning potential. Number one is to focus on your strengths. Yes, identify your skills and interests and choose websites that align with your expertise. By leveraging your strengths, you can stand out from the competition and attract high-paying clients or customers. Consistency is actually key. Whether you're creating content, you're providing services, or you're selling products, consistency is crucial. Regularly update your portfolio, your blog, or other social media channels to stay relevant and engage your audience. Invest in self-improvement as well. Stay up to date with industry trends and invest in your professional development. By continually improving your skills and knowledge, you can deliver better results and attract higher paying opportunities. Also do well to network and collaborate, because building relationships with other professionals in your field can open doors to new opportunities. Collaborate on projects, guest post on each other's blogs, recommend each other's services to expand your reach and increase your earning potential. Also provide exceptional customer service. So whether you're freelancing or you're running an online store, customer satisfaction is crucial. deliver exceptional service, yes, and exceed expectations. This will lead to positive reviews, repeat business, and referrals. In conclusion, earning money online has become increasingly accessible. Thanks to numerous websites that offer opportunities to monetize your skills, your knowledge, and hobbies. By exploring these 13 profitable websites that I've mentioned in today's video, you can unlock the secrets to financial freedom and potentially earn $100 per day. Remember, success in the online world requires dedication, hard work, and a commitment to providing value. So start exploring these websites today and take the first step towards creating sustainable online income. Yes, online income stream. If this video has blessed you, know how we do it, click on the subscribe button, like today's video, and do well to share. If you're new here, by all means, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. What is your name? Where are you watching from? How did you find my video? I want to know. I'm nosy like that. And if you're seeing this Gotcha Cyber Queen for the very first time, or you're seeing my mannequin for the first time, you're wondering, Kilo Shelembi Bayi. Guys, my name is Miriam. I'm a wife. I'm based in California. I'm a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. So this is one of my pieces. And this is my mannequin. I actually designed this outfit and it's available in different sizes on my website. So if you want to see the full picture of my mannequin, that's it. This is what my mannequin looks like. Oh shit. Okay, guys. So yes, that is it about me. Do not forget to introduce yourselves. Like I said, I really want to know you because I'm building a community here. It's not just about me coming to, shoot videos and talk. I want to hear from you guys as well. So yeah, let me hear from you in the comments. What is your name? Where are you watching from? How did you find my video? Send it to you. I'd like to know. Please do well to also like and share my video with your friends and your village members. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care and bye for now. Love you.